we're doing a
color challenge.
Yeah.
For the color blue,
That's-
as you can see.
That's right. We have our Ohuhu markers today, and we got all the blue shade colors. So these are the codes that start with a B.
Yep.
For blue, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And how many are there?
There are 20.
Yes. So what's the challenge?
You have to draw 20 things that are the shade blue.
Exactly. We're gonna use all 20 of our markers and draw 20 different things.
Mm-hmm. And I'm planning to win again.
So if you guys haven't checked out our other color challenge, our pink color challenge, we drew 18 different things with 18 shades of pink.
Yes, and you lost.
I lost. I only could draw 11. Mia drew 22? 20?
I think it was 22 or 20.
Yeah, you definitely went over the top. So let's see what happens today. And Art Along friends, if you want to join us, get anything blue around the house, markers, crayons, color pencils, and draw 20 different blue things that you can think of, and you can be super creative.
So let's get started.
Yeah, and we're gonna name out what blues we have too.
I have B350, Cornflower Blue.
Wow, Cornflower Blue. I'm gonna use Ultramarine, B190. So what are some blue things?
A flower.
A flower?
The sky, the ocean.
What's this?
A blueberry.
Yeah, I'm drawing a blueberry. Easy. Easy blueberry. Mia, I might win this challenge.
Why?
Because I'm off to a great start. I'm moving on to Vivid Blue, B270. Wait, you already used this one, huh?
And you already used that.
Oh, let's just put these in here then.
Okay. What is that?
It's a flower. It's like a bellflower.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Just so you know, this is water and this is a sky.
Okay. Lavender Mist. I'm gonna draw a couple of clouds. Okay, Vivid Blue, B270. I believe I used this one here. Yeah, that's this one. So I've used that one. I did 3. Tahitian Blue, B070. Okay, when you're done, you give it to me, okay? And I've already used this one, so I'll put it away. So that was Lavender Mist.
This one is B380.
Capri Blue. I'm using Tahitian Blue, B070. You're drawing pants?
Yeah, pants can be blue.
Yeah, like jeans? Cool. I'm drawing a snowman. I'm using Cyanine Blue. Whoa, B440.
Some light blue.
What else is blue? Maybe
What is that? Oh, it's a watering can.
yeah. That was Cyanine Blue. Light blue.
Ooh, a feather.
That's right. I'm drawing a feather. It's from a blue bird.
Ooh, I'm gonna need more space.
This one was Capri Blue, or this one is Capri Blue. You're going so fast.
Is that a cupcake?
It sure is. A blue cupcake using my Capri Blue. I have so many hands. Frost Blue. Cool. B030.
Frost blue is pretty.
Ooh. Coloring my clouds with it. Ah. Frost Blue. And then now I have Pebble Blue. I'm gonna draw some pebbles.
That's what I was thinking.
Remember when you used to collect rocks?
Yeah.
Why'd you do that?
I don't know.
You loved putting rocks in your pocket. What do you like to collect these days?
I don't know. What are you making?
This is supposed to be a gemstone. Oh, so this blue is called Aquamarine, and Aquamarine is a gemstone too. Aquamarine. Smoky Blue. Ooh.
Ooh.
Look at the smoke. With my Smoky Blue. Smoky Blue was B260. Process Blue. Interesting. I'm also gonna draw some pants. Just like Mia. Ooh, but I'm gonna make mine flare out pants. You know how you love those?
I'm running out of space.
Me too. I have a little bit of space, I guess. Wait, did I say this color? Process Blue, B080. Pale Blue.
What should I
Yeah, are you running out of ideas? Because I am. Oh, a blue heart? Okay, I'm gonna draw a blue heart too. I'm gonna pretend this is a lollipop heart. Maybe draw one more. This one was Pale Blue B120. Antwerp Blue B290. Blue.
Just so you know, this is not a squid. It's a lantern.
Okay. Good job. Are you moving on to the other shades? Okay, Art Along Friends, Mia has done it again. She's going above and beyond the 20 shades of blue and moving on to the PB code. So, purpley blue? I don't know if that's what it stands for, but okay, I did
Scarlet blue.
Cerulean Blue. Okay, but that one's a PB8. I have a B180 Vienna Blue. What other blue things are there? Okay, I did rain boots. A blue Lego piece.
I'm gonna draw rain boots too.
Nice. Do you like wearing rain boots?
No.
Why not?
I don't know.
But when you wear rain boots, you can jump inside a puddle.
Yeah.
Did you notice this color name?
Robin's egg blue?
Yeah.
What?
B050.
Robin's egg blue?
Yeah, remember? Robin's
Is it
eggs
this
are
one?
blue. I think so. They look similar.
This one's a picture frame.
Yeah. Remember there was a robin's nest in our yard?
Yeah, that was last year.
Yeah. Or maybe a couple years ago.
No, that was last year. I was 6.
I thought it was when you were littler.
No, I was 6.
Okay, well, it was so cool because the eggs were this beautiful blue, right? And your dad thought I had put some fake eggs in the nest. Okay, this one is Crystal Blue B110.
Make a piece.
I'm
running
gonna
out
draw
of
diamond.
ideas.
Okay, you need to slow down so I can catch up to you. Diamond! That was Crystal Blue. I have two more. Pale Grayish Blue. A water pail with pale grayish blue. Get it?
No.
This one is Indian Blue, B64.
Indian blue?
Okay, I ran out of space. I need one more ocean from Moana. Hello, ocean.
I'm still going.
Whoa.
I need to finish my poodle.
Ooh. Well, I think I did 20. But did you have a favorite blue?
I think my favorite blue was this one.
That one?
Uh-huh.
I think that was Cyanine Blue, right? I think mine is this blueberry. I think that was Capri Blue.
I think
Ultramarine. Yeah, I like Ultramarine. That one's fun. All right, let's count up how many drawings we have. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19?
Yeah.
What? I'm missing one.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did I count this one?
Count again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12.
I counted that.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
23, 24.
25, 26?
Yeah.
Mia wins again.
Yeah!
All right, art along friends. Keep challenging yourselves.
And keep having fun.
Yay. Bye.
Bye.